This routine in particular, we're kind of going for that ultra feminine, kind of sultry vibe, okay? So in order to achieve that, to be that more sort of feminine energy, we're looking at angles and shaping when we do stuff. So it's not just going to be your normal basic bachata step. We're looking at creating our angles, creating our shaping. So I will talk you through that, but just have that in the back of your head when we are doing this. And if you can do it in front of a mirror, that is even better. What I will do is I'll show you the choreography from the front so you can see what the arms are doing, what the body movement is, and break down some of the technique. And then I'll do it from the back so you can do it the correct way, as if you're following me along. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to basic bachata forward. So we might just think, okay, we're just going to do our basic bachata step here, but what we're going to do is add a bit more femininity to it. So as we are tapping, our knees are actually tapping inwards to create a wider hip shape and a narrower down at the knees, which then allows a more feminine shape, especially if we are pushing into that hip. As we take our step here, we are transferring the weight over, and as we do that, we push into that hip just that little bit more. And again, here and here. And then from here on the tap, rather than tapping here, we're going to tap on this side so that our back is facing the audience. So we end up this way here. So I'm going to show you that again. For this, our arms are just sort of with sort of purpose, but slightly behind our body, so they're just out of the way. So we go 1, 2, 3, and then on that fourth step, we tap here. Arms are coming in front. They're just sitting here on that tap. So again, they are out of the way. The next count of 4, we're going to do a booty go round. So I'm here in this position. I'm going to take that step to the side. I'm going to push my hips in this direction. As I take that step, I'm just going to slap on the thighs here. So I go 5. I transfer the weight over. I then push my hips backwards, making sure that my legs are straight and that my chest is facing forward and that we're not losing our posture here. We are keeping an arch. Remember I said about shapes? We're keeping an arch in this lower back here. I then transfer the weight over to the other leg, and then I transfer everything back this way so that I'm on the correct leg for your tap. So now I'm going to do it as if you are following along. So I'm going to face this way. The audience, whatever audience we have, is this wall over here. I'm going to walk in that direction to start off. So I'm here. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember the hands come in front. 5, 6, 7, tap. And with my head, I'm just kind of following where my booty will be as if I'm watching it go round. Okay. From here, we're going to do 3 basics in that direction. I'm just going to do it this way so you can see. My hand is going to come from there. So I've got my reindeer hand position in this position as if you're holding a pencil right here. Little finger out. I'll just come down here so you can see the full extent of my hand. It's here in this position. It's here. It's going to come down. As it comes down, as the arm extends, it's going to twist. And then the hand is going to be in this position. The hand is going to come up, 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 here, and it's going to end up here. Try not to lift this shoulder. Make sure that shoulder is down into its socket, even though the hand is close. Sometimes this might challenge your mobility, so you might have to have your hand further out here. I would rather you did this, then you try and do this. So keep those shoulders and the posture good. The next step, seeing as I'm here anyway, we're just going to bend the arm here. Hand is going to come around the back of the head. We're going to pull, and then it's going to come down. And that's going to be while we do another booty go round. So